Hey, what's happening guys, Abhi here, and this is Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro, and in this video I'm going to talk about the things I like and I don't like about this smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's get right into this video. So I won't be talking about the specification of this device because 95% of you guys already know the specs. So yeah, the first thing I want to talk about is the general overall build quality of the smartphone. So the Note 5 Pro has all metal unibody which gives it a really premium look and feel. It's also not that heavy, it comes at around 180 grams, which is really light compared to the size of the smartphone. It also has the fingerprint sensor on the back and the power and volume button on the right side of the smartphone, which really comes handy as this device is very big. So gotta give props to Xiaomi for making a really premium feeling and looking device at this price range. But the one thing that really bugs me about this device is that it has micro USB connector. I mean, it's 2018 and every mid-range smartphone has Type-C connector. So why is Xiaomi putting this mic, which is almost dead, on this really good device? But the thing that I love about this smartphone is that display. It is a 5.99-inch IPS LCD 1080p display, and it is really good. The color accuracy is really good. Would have loved to see a AMOLED display, but it is really good. Can't complain about that. Now let's talk about the performance. The Note 5 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 636 processor and Adreno 509 GPU, and the performance really smooth. It is faster than my iPhone 6, I would say, and it is really smooth experience. Everything opens quick, and the other thing which is also fast is this fingerprint sensor. As you guys can see, I have slowed down the video and it is still really fast. But the thing that is not fast is the face scanner or face ID, you can say. It is okay, but it's not that convenient, and sure, it can be useful sometimes. Now let's talk about the camera, and yeah, it looks very similar to some other flagship device which is in the market right now. Yeah, you know which I'm talking about. Don't get angry that it looks like the iPhone 10. It is a really good camera, but would have loved to see Xiaomi do something original rather than just straight up copy Apple. It is what it is. Now let's talk about the image quality. Note 5 Pro has a dual camera setup. The primary camera is the 12 megapixel camera and the secondary camera is a 5 megapixel camera. The camera is average at its best. I mean, it takes really good photos. The sharpness is at the point, but the photos are looks dull, and the bokeh effect is a hit or miss almost every time. So Xiaomi can definitely improve the performance in by giving some software updates, and I hope they do. And I will also leave a link to my Twitter if you wanna see the full resolution photos from the Note 5 Pro. But the thing that is also really good about this smartphone is the battery life. It has a 4000 milliamp hour battery, which is really good, and it lasts almost 2 days. So yeah, the Note 5 Pro is a really good overall device, but it also has its disadvantages as well, like lacks NFC, supports quick charging but doesn't have the quick charger in the box included, has a mediocre camera. But if you can ignore all these things, then I mean, it's a steal at this price point, and the competitors is not that good also. So a thumbs up for me. Definitely get this one. But if you are get it in the matte black one, looks way stunning. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.